Hi everyone, Sandy here. In this video, I am going to be showing you one of the best and simple ways to maintain a healthy hair growth. So if you're anything like me, you're tired of using all different types of hair restoration products out there. You have had no long-term results and in constant fear that you might lose all your hair overnight, then you have found just what you need. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you why Restolin works, and it is exactly what you need for your hair to grow back strong, thick, and full. So stick with me until the end of this video. So guys, what is Restolin? Restolin is a natural hair growth restoration formula that is available for everybody with 100% natural ingredients that are extremely effective and completely safe. How so? Restolin ingredients are sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity, and they use no chemical treatments, transforming it into a powerful formula, which consists of amazing vitamins and plants. And as we all know, it makes a huge difference in the end result of any kind of treatment. You'll get replenished of vitamins such as vitamin C and E, beta-glucan, pine bark, SCAT complex, graviola, turmeric, garlic, along with so many others. Before we get into more details about Restolin, I want to warn you guys there are so many scams out there, fake products and unsafe websites, and the official Restolin hair growth product is only sold at the official website. So to make your life easier, I left the link to the official website down below so you can purchase your product safely. And many people ask me, Sandy, does Restolin work? This formula changed my life, and it will change yours too. Its rare ingredients are so powerful and effective that the manufacturer has set in place a full refund if you don't see any dramatic improvement or the results you expected. Amazing, isn't it? It's so simple to use. All you have to do is pop a capsule of Restolin in with either water or juice and just watch the magic happen. You can get yours today shipped directly to your house, free of shipping cost, no matter where you live in the USA. So guys, don't miss out on this great and effective product. It has helped me and so many other people, and it will do wonders for you too. Don't forget, the only way to acquire it from the official website is on the link on the description of this video. I hope this video has helped clear your doubts and questions regarding Restolin, and that your problem with hair growth and loss will just become a fleeting memory of what was once a huge concern in your life. If you still have any questions, you have tried this product already, or you want to know more about it, don't hesitate to drop your comment on the comment section. Like and share if this video has helped you in any way. See you all soon.